Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to easily add and remove members on Netflix account. So let's get started. So here we are in Netflix, and then you can see all the profiles right here. So in case that you want to remove some profiles, this is how you do it. Click on manage profiles, and then from here you want to tap on the profile that you want to add. You want to remove, then you want to go down until you can see the delete profile button and just click on it, and then it would be gone. And that is basically how you delete your profile. But if you want to add one, there should be a plus button right here that would symbolize that you can add more profile. But in my case, I have it all maxed out with 5 profiles. So let's just select a profile right here so we can proceed. And from here, what we're going to do is we're going to tap on our profile right here on the top right and click on account. And then from here, we'll be clicking on the invite extra members. So this is your go-to solution if you would want to add extra member or extra profile. If you are not satisfied with the 5 limit of profiles here in Netflix, so you can tap on next for this one right here, and then you can click on buy now and so on. So extra member added. So now tell us who to invite. You can tap on next, and then you can type their name, their email address, so that they would get an email. In this way, they would be able to get invited into your account. And then the next thing is you want to go back, and then you want to go for manage access and devices. When you click on that, you'd be able to see all of your members and their devices right here. So you can just click on sign out on each one of them in case that you would want to sign out a device from your members. So this is also a good way for you to remove members into your Netflix account. So in case you want to do that. So once they are signed out, they would need to provide the password again in order for them to sign in. So if you don't want them to do that, then I suggest that you reset your password or change it or whatsoever. And don't forget that you can always click on show more, and it would show you more of the devices right here that you can sign out and monitor if you'd want that. So yeah, you can basically do it right here, or you can click on the sign out of all devices if you want to have an account with a clean slate right here. So every one of your members would need to log back in order for them to use your Netflix account again. So yeah, those are basically the ways on how you can easily add or remove members right here in Netflix. So I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.